Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create delete my memories trend video on TikTok. So if you want to create these kind of trend videos on TikTok, then let me show you how to create this on this video. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for delete my memories Capcut. Now in the search results, you're looking for that video which is doing the trend. So if you scroll down, you'll see that video here, delete all my memories. There's another one there. And there's a few here. Now to use that template, you want to go ahead and tap on that video. Now on this video, what you're looking for is Capcut try this template. So this will be just above the username. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now this will show you the template which you're going to use. So go ahead and tap on use template in Capcut. This will load Capcut and will load up the template. Again, it'll show you the template. Go ahead and tap on use template. Now you want to go ahead and select a photo or a video of yourself and then tap on preview. Now this will create the video for you with all the animations. Now if you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on add sound in TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now the good part of using the template is that the sound comes with it. So as you can see, the sound has already been set. Now, all you need to do is add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the delete all memories trend video on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.